Aubrey, and Cole.
I bet it's makeup, baby.
Nevada from Nick, Jen, Aubrey, and Cole.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Pudgy got some color and stuff.
Noel from Nick.
What'd you get, Pudgy?
Show Mom.
Alright! Pudgy's like, wow, Christmas again! I'm not.
Mom, boxes of trees!
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Good, say thank you.
Come here.
Thank you.
Mom, come here. Look, little boxes of trees.
Hold on.
Careful now, careful there. I think there might be something fragile in there.
Ray says it got one. Can you please stop it? I'm curious.
Ooh, what is that?
Sure.
I think I know.
Oh.
Is it a puzzle or
It's a
something?
mug and a scarf.
To Heather.
Pretty.
It says
It says to Heather from Jen and Leah.
Oh, that was sweet. Y'all didn't have to get me anything.
That's sweet.
Thank you.
Now that is one pretty scarf.
Pretty.
Did you do Josh and Tosh?
Beautiful.
This is Josh and Tosh. You want to open that, babe?
Glue. Ray says it's gotten anything.
And this is to Chuck from Jerry and Leah.
Oh, how sweet. Thank
Maybe it's
you.
like Jerry and Leah.
Anything yet? Tosh.
Hold on.
Ray's touch.
And this says to Josh and Tosh from Nick, Jen, Aubrey, and Cole. And this is to Grace from Nick, Jen, Aubrey, and Cole.
Whoa, I got a big one. Like
What, babe?
one. Cool, it's a bracelet making thing.
Mom, look.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let me see, Gracie. Gracie, get in the chair.
How about green?
Let me-
Everybody has
Everybody got a pretty scarf.
Except for Pudgy.
Beautiful.
Or
Everybody say thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
And Leanne, Jen, and Nick, and Aubrey, and Leanne, and Jerry.
from Nick, Jen, Aubrey,
This is mine?
for us.
Cool.
Say thank you.
Pretty. Thank you, Jen. Thank you. Where do you live again? Denver?
Michigan.
Oh, yes.
All right, Drama Queen, that's enough. What?
Can you open my mom wood?
In just a minute, as soon as I'm done with the camera, okay?
Oh, you got a paper face? I got this, Noel. Noel got a scrapbook, making a scrapbook.
Oh, I want the bubble paper.
Now that looks fragile.
What are these? How pretty!
Aw,
Pretty.
that's really pretty.
You're blessed. That's really pretty.
Josh,
me
open
see
the
it.
boxes.
Oh, pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, that is
Is it just
sweet.
like a figurine?
Yeah, it's just a knick-knack, you know, a
What
little
are these,
statuette.
Josh?
Honey, I don't know. There's no names.
Josh, open that and see what's inside.
Pretty, beautiful.
Oh, there's ornaments.
Ornaments! Ornaments in the trees! Can we have the box?
Doesn't say who it's for or names on it.
That's probably for you then, because they know we don't do Christmas trees.
Hey.
Pudgy, it's for
Those are
Probably
really
for Josh and Tosh. They're probably for you all.
yeah, it's for you all.
Those are really pretty. Well, y'all can have the box.
I want the box. I want
box.
I want
Pretty.
the box.
I want your box.
I want a box.
Let me see the ornaments. Hold the ornaments up.
Please give me a box.
Gracie, hush.
That's
Ooh,
for
that
you all.
is pretty.
Josh, can I have the box?
Well, when you do have your Christmas tree, it sure will be pretty.
Can you open it?
Just a minute.
This is the empty box.
We'll see, we'll
And
see.
this is really
Mommy, I got a box.
Oh, how beautiful. All right, everybody smile. Say thank you so I can end this video. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Nick and Jen and Leanne and Jerry and Cole and Aubrey. We love you.
I got a cake.